Hi, if you have clicked on this video, welcome to the channel first of all. And this is going to be my first ETUDE video that I have posted intentionally with effort. Basically, in this video, we are going to go through how to create this natural, flawless base, dewy base on Indian brown skin tone. It's going to be really dewy and very natural. It's not just going to look good on camera, but it's also supposed to look good in real life. I can assure you by this end of this video, you're going to be able to create this in real life as well, and also on a budget, because I'm not going to go above and beyond on some really expensive products. You do not really need a lot of products, neither do you need something super expensive. We are going to work with whatever you have. So I have already washed my face and I have applied moisturizer. You can go with a moisturizer or you can use a primer. I would suggest this one if you want a very glowy skin, but today we are not going to do with any primer. We are going to use as less product as possible. For color correction, we are using this Swish Beauty liquid concealer in the shade orange. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade caramel, I think. Directly on your pigmentations. This is the concealer that we are going to use, Fit Me concealer. We have used the concealer, but we are not going to blend it out just now. So start blending it out slowly with I'm using a beauty blender. We are going to use the excess product on our face like this. The key to this is that you will need a foundation shade that is exactly similar to your shade. Let it sit for a while before moving on to the next step. Here is a before and after comparison, and you can see that there is a huge difference in the skin. The hyperpigmentation is barely visible and there's a beautiful glow on the skin, but we can make this even better. For the next step, we are going to add dimensions to our face by brightening up the middle area and the high portions. Rather than using a contour stick, which will make our face look very artificial in real life, we are going to use another technique. Adding one shade lighter concealer on the high points of your face gives your face a really fresh look. We are going to spread the concealer by evenly blending it out. Add another layer of setting mist and try not to use a setting spray. In case if you do not have a setting mist, you can replace it with a setting spray that is a little bit less sticky. Next, we will curl our lashes. I will link down all the products in the description box. You can find them there. Lately, I have been using this Maybelline Bubble Mascara. The pros are that this holds your lashes really well for the entire day, and also it dries out very fast. It's not going to budge after you put it on. But the con is it makes my lashes look very clumpy. It takes great effort to actually get rid of this mascara. I always have to use a oil cleanser before removing it. This step is not mandatory. I have used a red kajal under my eyes, mostly around the outer corner. This next product is Lip and Cheek Tint from ETUDE house. This is a water tint and it stays on your lips for a very long time. It stains your lips and cheeks for a very long time. You can eat, you can do whatever you want, but it's not going to go off. If you have two-tone lips, then you can use this tint to even out your lips. If you have watched till this far, then please drop a like and subscribe, and you can also try commenting on what I should try out next. Posting videos is fun, but reading your thoughts is what truly makes this place feel like home. It makes me feel really happy. Each comment is a reminder that I'm not just creating in a vacuum, I'm building a community. And so, speaking of things that make me happy, I've been wearing this lip tint a lot recently. This adds such a beautiful color to my face. I am using the same mauve kajal on my lips. It stays on for a very long time, so I just prefer using it on my lips. Setting the under eye with a very little amount of compact powder.